Imagine putting on a headset so light it feels like a pair of ski goggles. But when you open your eyes, the digital world is indistinguishable from reality. We are talking about 4K Micro-OLED per eye. A pixel density so high that the human eye can't even see the gaps. This isn't science fiction anymore. Internal leaks from Meta's Reality Labs, under the codenames Project Pismo and Project Griffin, suggest that the Meta Quest 4 is about to do to the VR industry what the iPhone did to Nokia. While everyone was busy debating the Quest 3's, Mark Zuckerberg's team has been secretly building a monster that might just make the $3,500 Apple Vision Pro look like an overpriced prototype. If you've been thinking about upgrading your current headset, stop everything and watch this until the very end. Because what I'm about to reveal about the Quest 4's neural interface and the new Snapdragon XR3 chip will change your perspective on gaming and productivity forever. Also, if you want to stay ahead of the curve, make sure to check out our previous deep dive on Meta's secret 2026 roadmap by clicking the icon in the top corner and visiting our exclusive VR playlist. You don't want to miss the context behind these massive leaks. The biggest bombshell of 2026 is undoubtedly the shift to micro-OLED technology. For years, Quest users have dealt with the grayish blacks of LCD screens. But the Quest 4 is rumored to be using dual 0.9-inch micro-OLED panels supplied by Bow and C. We are looking at a resolution close to 3200 by 3200 per eye. To put that in perspective, that's nearly double the clarity of the Quest 3. This isn't just about making games look pretty, it's about text legibility. Imagine working in a virtual office where every word on your digital monitor is as sharp as a physical MacBook screen. But there's a catch that most tech YouTubers aren't telling you. To drive those 4000 panels at a smooth 120 Hz, or even 144 Hz, Meta is integrating the Snapdragon XR3 Gen 2. This chip isn't just a incremental boost, it's a total architectural redesign with a dedicated AI MPU that handles spatial mapping and hand tracking independently, leaving the GPU free to render AAA quality graphics that were previously only possible on a high-end PC with an RTX 4080. But wait, it gets even crazier. Have you heard of the Meta Neural Wristband? Leaks suggest that for the first time, Meta might move away from traditional plastic controllers for certain Quests for bundles. This EMG-based wristband reads the electrical signals from your brain to your muscles. You won't just be clicking buttons, you'll be pinching the air, and the headset will know exactly what you're doing before your fingers even move. This is the Griffin Project's secret weapon. By offloading the battery and compute to a wearable puck, or focusing on this wrist-based input, Meta is aiming to bring the weight of the headset down to under 400 grams. Compare that to the front-heavy design of the current generation. And you're looking at a device you can actually wear for 8 hours a day without neck strain. Now, let's talk about the price, because this is where things get controversial for the US market. While the Quest 2 and 3 were subsidized to keep them affordable, the Quest 4 Pismo High model is rumored to start at $799. Meta is no longer just competing with toys. They are going after the high-end spatial computing market. They want the Quest 4 to be the primary device for professionals, gamers, and creators, with built-in eye tracking and face tracking as standard features. Not just for the Pro models anymore, foveated rendering will finally be used to its full potential, giving us incredible performance boosts in games like GTA San, Andreas VR, or the rumored Batman Arkham Shadow sequel. As we get closer to the late 2026 or early 2027 release window, the question isn't just about specs, it's about the ecosystem. With Horizon OS opening up to third-party manufacturers like Asus and Lenovo, the Quest 4 has to be the gold standard. It has to prove that Meta is still the king of XR. The leaked Pancake 2.0 lenses are expected to offer a 180-degree field of view, finally killing the scuba mask effect that has plagued VR since day one. If these leaks are even 80% accurate, the Quest 4 won't just be a gaming console. It will be the first true mainstream spatial computer that actually fits into your life. The competition from Samsung's Galaxy XR and Apple's cheaper Vision model is fierce. But with the sheer scale of the Quest store, Meta has the upper hand. Sticaron Because. Asmarty Project Griffin Documents Leak. I'll be the first to bring you the raw, unfiltered truth. Don't forget to check that playlist in the top icon for more insider info. The future of reality is being rewritten, and you're witnessing it happen in real time.